Hey there, I'm Scott Seidler from the Craftsman blog, and today I'm going to show you how to install spring bronze weather stripping on an old wood window. Check it out. We're going to put some spring bronze on this casement window. Now I'm going to go along the perimeter of the window across the top. These two sides, I've got a hinge side, so I'm going to have to account for the hinges. And I'm going to show you how we do this. It's very easy. It's great weather stripping. I'm just going to measure here. I've got 35 3/4. I'm going to cut it about an inch long. That way I can make exact trims on site. Right there. Just going to use my tin snips, cut it long. Now I've got a precise cut on there. Take a measure, make sure I can cut it straight. We're going to do here, you can see there's a nailing flange here, and this is the side that springs. So we're going to come nail here about every 1.5 inches or so, and you want to make sure that it's not too tight up against there so it doesn't rub. You need to scoot it back just a hair, and now I've got full range of motion on there. And it's really important that your spring bronze starts all the way up at the corner, not down here, and goes straight all the way to the bottom. So we'll start nailing. 17 by 3/4 inch coppered nails. These are perfect for spring bronze. They're tiny little ones. You'll hit your thumb a bunch, but this is exactly what you need to use. So I'm going to put my first nail, my nailing flange, because these are in-swing casements, goes to the inside. Put my first nail as close up to the top as I can. And then I'm going to line up the rest of this. It's important to pull your spring bronze taut down here. We'll go about halfway. Put another nail. Make sure I've got that space I need. And then continue it down here. And then we're going to space these down about every 1.5 inches, all the way down. So I've got spring bronze on along here. What I'm going to test now is I'm going to close this and see if I can see any sunlight. And I see a little sunlight down here at the bottom. I've just got a little gap, so to resolve that, I'm going to spring that bronze out a little bit more. Just take my 5-in-1, get behind it. Bend it out just a bit. Let's see if that resolves it. A little bit, but I can still do more. So it's the nice thing about this spring bronze is it's very flexible in that you can close in a larger or smaller gap just by flexing it and springing, increasing the spring angle. There we go. Most of that sunlight is resolved now. And we've got a nice tight seal up against here. All right, so you're just going to continue that across the top, across the hinges, and I'll show you how the hinge side works. Now, I'm not going to bring my spring bronze over the hinges. A lot of people will. I don't, because I feel like the hinge is giving you enough air sealing. So I'm just going to measure here, and I want to bring it right to my hinge, so I got 3 inches there. And then next, I'm going to measure here from the bottom of my hinge to the top of the next one. I got 23 5/8. And then down here, same setup, 4 inches. Those are the 3 pieces I'm going to cut then for this. And then run your finger along these nails. And if anything's sticking up, oh, this one sticks up a little bit. You know, that's something you got to set back a little bit further. You'll feel the nails, but you just don't want anything to really pinch you. All right, so you can see we haven't put our parting bead in yet, but I've got the bronze all the way down here to the sill. I've matched the sill angle. Got nails every 1.5 inches or so. 1 to 2 inches is fine. And we go up here, we've marked where our meeting rail is. We know where it is. About here is where our sash stops. We cut this little round over here on the edge of it so it doesn't have that pointy spot to catch. And same thing for the top sash. You don't have to run this all the way up. It only needs to weather strip the window when it's closed. So gone up here for the top sash. You can run this nailing flange if you have the space to go up on the side of your pulley, or you can just do 2 individual pieces. And here are some of the sash ready to go in. You can see this is set up here. I've got it on the top of the top sash and on the bottom of the bottom sash. There you have it, Spring Bronze Weather Stripping. It's the most effective, longest lasting, DIY friendly weather stripping you can get for wood windows and doors. You can pick up all the supplies and tools from the links in the description below so you can tackle this project yourself. And if you want to learn more about your old house and how to fix it up yourself, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and check out some of my other great videos to help you DIY better. Till next time, good luck with that old house and try to have a little fun.